Today I will show you how to change header text color on Squarespace. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is sign into your Squarespace account. Once you're signed in, you're gonna enter into the website that you want to change the header text color for. And once you're in that website, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now we're gonna go to websites and we're gonna go to pages. Now on the pages, we're gonna go to the bottom of the page where it says custom code. We're gonna click on custom code and we're gonna go to custom CSS. Now we can see the header of the page on the preview on the right, and we have our custom CSS dialog box also open. Now we're gonna activate this Chrome extension. It's called the Chrome extension is called Squarespace ID Finder. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Chrome extensions and you're going to download Squarespace ID Finder. And once you're done installing it on your Google Chrome, you're going to activate it. And once you click on it, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to bring out all the IDs of the sections that are on your website once you click on it. So once you're in Squarespace and you click on this, it's going to reveal them. So you're going to pick the ID for the header and you're going to include the tag for it. So the ID for the header, you're going to include a link tag and you're going to change the color here. So as you can see, the color has already changed to green as we have it here. We have this section and we have the header color. But as you can see, as this changed, this also changed. And so that means our ID is actually affecting all of this page under it. So what we can do is we can turn off the ID and we're gonna go to one of the items. We're gonna click on inspect. And once we click on inspect, what we want to do is we want to find the class that has these items, which is the header nav item. We're gonna include this class here to our CSS, and as you can see, it's only affecting just this. Now you can see the header has changed, the color for the header has changed. Now that's how you change the edit text color on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.